Oppo Watch X launched, supports 48 hours of battery life, vibrant 1.43-inch AMOLED display. Oppo Watch X was launched in Malaysia on Thursday. The smartwatch looks like the rebranded version of the OnePlus Watch 2, which was revealed at the Mobile World Congress 2024 on February 26. This latest wearable boasts a 1.43-inch AMOLED display and is powered by the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chipset. The device is claimed to deliver up to 48 hours of battery life for heavy usage in smartphone, up to 100 hours for standard usage in smart mode, and up to 12 days in power-saving mode. Oppo Watch X features a 1.43-inch round AMOLED display with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels, offering a peak brightness level of 1000 nits and 2.5D sapphire crystal screen. The device houses a Snapdragon W5 chipset for running Wear OS apps and a BES 2700 chip responsible for background activity running RTOS. The watch comes with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. For health features, the Oppo Watch X offers all-day sleep tracking, monitoring sleep state, quality, breathing rate, snoring risk assessment, and more. It also includes heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen, SpO2 tracking, and daily activity reminders. On the fitness front, it supports over 100 sports modes, recognizes 6 types of cardio machines, and includes professional sports modes. The Oppo Watch, powered by a 500 mAh battery, reportedly charging from 0 to 100 in 60 minutes. It's claimed to provide up to 48 hours of battery life with heavy usage, up to 100 hours in smart mode, and up to 12 days in power saver mode. The Oppo Watch X is available in Mars Brown and Platinum Black color variants. It's priced at 1,399 Malaysian ringgit for the single Bluetooth variant. It can be purchased through the official Oppo website. Currently, it's only launched in Malaysia with no confirmation regarding its availability in other markets. However, there have been indications of a potential launch in China in March.